in your computer, you must open either the Word or PowerPoint in Windows, and after that you can go to your keyboard, and this keyboard, if your number lock is not enabled, you must turn this number lock on. That's you must now enable the number lock, and the next step is you must press, and all this is the alt key on the left side of the keyboard. You must press and alt this alt key. It means that you did not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time, you can type here a 8733. So after typing 8733, you can release your finger from this alt key. So if you type like that, then you can see that this symbol, that is the symbol for proportional to symbol, have been arrived in your Windows computer. For more video updates like this, please subscribe our channel Engineers World Online. Thank you.